Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to set any printer as a default printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First go to the start. Here type printers and scanners. Here type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner, here we find our all installed printers. Scroll down and here we find printer preferences. Here we find allow Windows to manage my default printer. If it's on, then off it. It is on, then off it. After that, here we find our all printer list, all installed printers. Go to the printer that you want to make a default printer. I want to make this printer default printer. Click on that printer. Here we find many options. Go to the here. At the top we find set as a default. Click on set as a default, and here we find printer status is default. Now go to the back, and here we find this new printer is set as a default in our Windows 11 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.